my Ultra Comfort seat cushions covers for that beast, which is my daughter's car. These Chevy Sparks have a history, from what I read, of being bad for their seats. Fantastic is in the background. These are the current seats in here. She spilled coffee. Both of them were racked. They were cool seats when we got them because it looks like a little race car, but they are falling apart. This is a 2014. It's 2021 right now. These things started jacking up probably about a year after she had the car. Edit that out. Passenger seat. Here's the package. Ultra Comfort premium leather seat covers. Okay. Let's see what's inside the box. Heavy. Look cool. Clips. And some instructions. I watched the video with this company 5 times. It appeared to be very easy to put these in. It appeared very easy. Ouch. Oh. One, that already looks better. I bonked my head too. Trying to make a decent video because I couldn't find any on YouTube. These are the little disc things that came in the package. These are little hooks for the other straps. This is what I had already seen online. So, have to put these on here. Like that, if you can see that. That's the first two. And then you hook them to the other two. Push them through from the back. But let's test it out. So I'm sure they're going to break in. Oh, these feel actually pretty good. Oh man. That's one done. Actually, that feels really good. And it looks a lot better. These things are badass. That's gonna just get beat in a little bit. So I'll do a follow-up video, but they look great. I'm digging them. I'm going to go through and tighten them up a little bit more. I may do a condensed version of this video. I know a lot of Chevy Spark folks have issues with these seats. These things look brand new. Damn! Damn!